In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job in Zoho Recruit, a simple and intuitive platform designed to streamline your recruitment process. Whether you're an HR manager at a large corporation or a business owner looking to expand your team, posting a job using Zoho Recruit is straightforward and efficient. Let's go through this step by step so you can get your opportunity out there and find the ideal candidates. First, you'll need to head over to the workspace or dashboard of Zoho Recruit. This will be your main hub for managing all aspects of your recruitment process and provides easy access to the features you'll need. Once you've logged in and are on the dashboard, you'll notice an interface that keeps everything you need within reach. Now, on the top right of your screen, look for the plus icon. This is your gateway to creating new entries within Zoho Recruit, whether that's new job postings, clients, or other resources. Go ahead and click on the plus icon. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for you to choose from. Next, select the Job Opening option from the drop-down. This is the section where you'll start crafting your job listing. Clicking on Job Opening will take you to a page designed specifically for inputting all relevant details about the position you're looking to fill. On this page, you'll begin by filling out the necessary information about the job you want to post. You'll need to be clear and thorough here. Start by entering the position title. This is crucial as it will be one of the first things potential applicants notice. Next, input the client's name if applicable and specify whether the job is remote or on-site. You'll also want to select the job industry from the options provided. These details help in categorizing your job listing accurately and attracting the right pool of candidates. After you've filled in all the mandatory fields, it's time to save your hard work and publish the job listing. Click on the Save and Publish button, which you'll find prominently displayed on this page. Zoho Recruit offers you flexibility when publishing your job, whether you want to post on job boards, on your career site, or both. Choose what works best for your strategy and reach. Once your job is published, you have the option to highlight it. This allows your job posting to stand out among the rest, attracting more views and potential candidates. It can be especially useful in competitive markets where you want your job to catch more eyes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to effectively posting jobs and attracting ideal applicants using Zoho Recruit. With these easy guidelines, managing job postings has never been simpler. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your recruitment.